I originally started this work as a veterinarian at the Minnesota Zoo, facilitating wildlife projects around the state, looking at the health of moose and trying to understand the cause of the population decline. I was invited to join the Grand Portage team to capture moose as their project vet. So basically, I was there to look out for animal welfare and human safety throughout the capture process. And so I spent a lot of time there getting to know the community, learning more about other questions that the community had, and that led to more connections with other tribal nations and tribal communities. It was really the community engagement that I found to be incredibly rewarding. Hearing the community's perspectives, hearing their priorities and their values was really what informed the kind of work that I started doing. Chronic wasting disease is a disease of cervids. Mostly in Minnesota, it's affecting our white-tailed deer. One of the projects that I'm involved in right now is trying to understand how we do outreach on chronic wasting disease in diverse hunting communities. As the university, our role is to do outreach and education, but how do we do that in a way that best serves these communities, that embodies their values and starts where their knowledge is? That's where the participatory research comes in. They do much more than give us information. They are part of the whole process, from identifying the goals around the research to helping us decide how we're going to do the research, conducting the research, even analyzing the data. Another project that we've embarked on was looking at a tapeworm called Echinococcus by our biologist partners in Grand Portage. What's the prevalence of Echinococcus in the wolves in that area, and what's the potential for that parasite to spill over into domestic dogs? We want to have research that is impactful, that is rigorous, and that can be directly applied in the communities in which we're working. If we're doing work that is a priority to them and is of value to them, that means it's gonna have much greater impact and be much more sustainable in the long term.